everyone, I am Jonathan21 and today we will be opening up a not Galvatron, a Ramjet Crystal. Here he is. His crystal name is Airhead Crystal. There he is, and let's open him up. Sorry it takes a little bit too long. There it is. Can't wait to open this thing up. Okay. And we get a 2-star Optimus Prime and Awaken for the 45th time in a row. And by the way, we open up a crystal, you get Galvatron, 100 Galvatron chips. So, yeah, so let's exit from that. So that's pretty much all. I did make a video about this guy, but that's during, I think after this one loads up, the other one's gonna load too. So I'm gonna see how that's gonna go. So pretty much, so that's gonna be all.